Tired of wondering where all your time goes? Let's unlock the secrets of effortless time tracking with Clockify in the next 90 seconds. First, head to Clockify and create a free account. Once you're in, the timer is your best friend. Simply type in what you're working on and hit the play button to start tracking your time. Next, let's get organized with projects. Click on Projects in the sidebar. Then add project. Give your project a name, choose a color, and decide if it's billable. Projects help you categorize your time for better insights. Now, let's bring your team on board. Go to the Team section and click Invite Users. Enter their email addresses, assign them roles, and send out the invites. Collaboration makes time tracking even more powerful. Finally, let's dive into reports. Click on Reports to see where your time is going. You can filter by project, team member, date range, and more. Clockify generates detailed reports that you can export for analysis. Use the summary reports to see a bird's eye view of where your time is being spent. This can help you identify time sucks and make better decisions on where to spend your energy. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to mastering Clockify and taking control of your time. Start tracking today and unlock a world of productivity.